Rain against the window, another gray afternoon. Funny how the weather sometimes knows exactly how you feel.
Yeah. Rainy days have a peculiar way of slowing time, turning every passing thought into a question in the mind. Pavement reflects a city temporarily subdued, while I'm contemplating everything I thought I understood. Umbrellas drift like silhouettes beneath the urban grey. Strangers hurry through the storm as though they're fleeing yesterday. I watch the droplets negotiate the glass, each one descending slowly, knowing eventually it will pass. I've learned that melancholy isn't necessarily despair. Sometimes sadness simply means you're conscious that you're there. A moment of reflection, a pause within the race, a chance to reconsider where you're going and the person you became.
Rainy day, they wash the noise away. Rainy day, make me think about yesterday.
When the sky turns gray, I don't have to run. Sometimes the quiet is where clarity comes from.
Rainy days,
They don't last forever. I've walked beneath the clouds with my headphones drowning out the traffic. Every raindrop synchronizing with a memory I could abandon. I remember conversations that dissolve without conclusion, promises that disappear beneath the weight of our confusion. But rain possesses an extraordinary contradiction. It can make a landscape darker while creating its restoration. The soil absorbs the water, the roots begin to breathe, and what appears destructive can provide the strength to heal. Perhaps that's the lesson I've been reluctant to embrace. Not every storm is punishment, some storms prepare the place. So let the rain fall, let the window shape it, every unnecessary burden wash away.
rainy day, they wash the noise away. Rainy day, make me think about yesterday.
When the sky turns gray, I don't have to run. Sometimes the quiet is where clarity comes from.
Rainy days,
They don't last forever. Strip back to piano, rain onions and vocal sample.
maybe we spend too much time waiting for perfect weather.
Waiting for the right moment, the right person, the right version of ourselves. But life doesn't promise sunshine. It simply asks us to keep walking.
Bring back drum, so let it rain, let it pour. I've survived storms before. Rainy days, let the whole sky cry. Rainy days, there's still color behind the gray sky.
Every storm eventually passes, every shadow loses its claim, and somewhere beyond the clouds the sunlight waits again.
Rainy days,
I won't be afraid.
rainy days, I'm stronger than yesterday. Rain against the window, footsteps on the pavement.
The storm continues, but so do I. Rainy days.